In the warm and sunny village of Sunwillow, nestled among rolling green hills, lived a wonderfully kind and curious girl named Tara. You could always find Tara with a cheerful smile on her face. Whether she was helping her grandmother sweep the dusty porch, sharing breadcrumbs with the chirping birds, or racing her friends through fields of wildflowers, Tara loved exploring, learning new things, and lending a hand to anyone who needed it. Her heart was big and full of joy. But like all of us, Tara had a little secret fear tucked away inside. She was afraid of making mistakes and getting into trouble. She wanted everyone to think she was perfect, and this worry sometimes made her feel a little anxious. One quiet evening, as the sun painted the sky in shades of orange and pink, Tara's grandmother called her over. She held something very special in her hands, an old, beautifully crafted lantern made of dark wood and glass panels etched with delicate patterns. "Tara," her grandmother said in her gentle, soothing voice, "this isn't just any lantern, this is the truth lantern." As she spoke, a soft, warm light began to glow from within the lantern, casting a peaceful golden hue on their faces. Tara's eyes widened in amazement. "It's beautiful," she whispered. Her grandmother smiled and continued, "Its light is powered by honesty. It shines its brightest when truth lives in your heart. Remember, my dear, always be honest, and you will keep its light strong and clear." Tara nodded, holding the magical lantern carefully, feeling its gentle warmth spread through her hands. She promised to always remember her grandmother's words. The very next day, the sun was shining brightly, and Tara was playing in the courtyard with her best friend. They were chasing a colorful butterfly, laughing as it fluttered just out of their reach. In her excitement, Tara didn't see the pretty clay bowl sitting on a low stone wall. With a clumsy tumble, she bumped right into it. Crash! The bowl fell to the ground and shattered into a dozen pieces. Tara froze, her heart thumping in her chest. "Oh no," she gasped, staring at the broken pottery. Her friend rushed over. "What happened?" asked, looking at the mess. Tara's mind raced. She remembered her grandmother's new bowl and how proud she was of it. Fear crept into her heart. She didn't want to admit she had broken it. After a moment of hesitation, she looked at her friend and mumbled, It wasn't me. The wind. The wind must have been very strong and knocked it over." As the words left her mouth, she glanced at the truth lantern sitting on a nearby bench. She saw it flicker for just a second, its light dimming ever so slightly. A knot of unease tightened in her tummy, but she pushed the feeling away and said nothing more. Later that afternoon, Tara needed to run an errand for her grandmother. As the evening began to fall, she borrowed the truth lantern to light her way. But as she walked, she noticed something strange. The lantern's glow wasn't as bright as it was before. It seemed weak, casting long, spooky shadows on the path ahead. She wondered aloud, feeling a little scared. The next day at school, her teacher asked who had forgotten to water the classroom plant. The plant was drooping sadly, and Tara realized she had forgotten. But again, the fear of being in trouble was too strong. "It wasn't me," she whispered to her friend, even though she knew it was a lie. At that very moment, a thick, gray fog began to roll into the village, and the light from her lantern dimmed even more, becoming just a tiny, faint spark. With every untrue word she spoke, the light grew smaller and smaller, and the heavy feeling in her heart grew bigger and bigger. The fog seemed to mirror the confusion and sadness she felt inside. That evening, the fog that had started in the afternoon grew incredibly thick. It blanketed the entire village of Sunwillow, making it impossible to see more than a few steps ahead. The once cheerful and bright village was now quiet and eerie. People stumbled in the gloom, feeling lost and anxious. "Where has all the light gone?" One villager called out into the mist. "I can't see the path," another cried. Tara stood in the center of the village square, holding the truth lantern. But its light was now so weak it was barely a glimmer, a tiny pinprick of light that did nothing to push back the heavy darkness. Her grandmother walked over and placed a comforting hand on her shoulder. She looked at Tara not with anger, but with kindness and understanding. "Tara," she asked gently, "is there something weighing on your heart?" "The lantern feels your sadness." Tara looked up at her grandmother, and her eyes filled with tears. She couldn't hold the secret inside any longer. Taking a deep, shaky breath, Tara finally decided to be brave. It was time to face the truth. Looking at her grandmother, she spoke in a small but clear voice. "I broke the bowl," she admitted, the tears now rolling down her cheeks. "I was playing, and I knocked it over. I was just so scared of getting into trouble. So I didn't tell the truth." As she spoke those honest words, something magical happened. The truth lantern in her hands flickered, and its light instantly glowed a little brighter. Encouraged, Tara continued, And I told other small lies too. I forgot to water the plant at school, but I said it wasn't me. With each truth she shared, the lantern's golden light grew stronger and warmer, pushing back the thick, cold fog around them. Her grandmother wrapped her in a warm hug. "Thank you for being so honest, my dear," she said, her voice full of love. "Telling the truth isn't always easy. It takes great courage." A huge weight lifted from Tara's shoulders, and for the first time in days, she smiled, a real, happy smile of relief. As Tara's honesty filled her heart, the truth lantern blazed to life, shining more brilliantly than ever before. Its powerful, golden light spread through the village square, chasing away every last wisp of the mysterious fog. The darkness vanished, and Sunwillow was bright and clear once again. Children started laughing and playing, and the birds began to sing their joyful songs from the treetops. Tara's friend ran up to her, his face full of wonder. "The light is back," he cheered. Tara held the lantern high, its light dancing in her eyes. "Honesty makes the light strong," she said, her voice filled with a newfound confidence. And so, Tara learned a very important lesson that day. She learned that telling the truth, even when it's hard and scary, is what brings peace to your heart and trust from your friends. She understood that making a mistake is okay, as long as you are brave enough to admit it. From that day forward, whenever she felt that little flicker of fear, she remembered the lantern and the beautiful light of honesty. She always chose the truth.